Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video on the Digital Market channel. And in this video we're going to talk about 8 affiliate marketing tips I wish I knew years ago and I would have followed them for success. You got to network and have a brand. The reason why you want a brand and you want to network is because this is a very lonely game, and all the time you're talking to a camera, there's nobody else around unless you have a team, but even then you're the only person on your business. You're the person that has to do everything from scheduling the videos, making sure the affiliate links work and that the sales are coming in, right? There's places where you can actually go and meet other creators or other affiliates, or you can reach out to them within the YouTube videos and get to know them a little, network with them, because you never know when you're gonna be able to actually work for them. Now recently I noticed that Think Media interviewed a couple of girls that I've been following for a while, and after the interview, in one of their videos, one of these girls came up and made a video for that channel. So they're doing the networking, right? Think Media has millions and millions of subscribers. These two ladies have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and that's just gonna take their business to the next level. You see how that works? They don't have to feel lonely about it. They can network, and you can even partner on something like a program that you guys want to create together. And there's a lot of summits, and there's a lot of places where they have conferences, and that's when you meet a lot of people, and that's when you can take your business to $1 million a year. And it's very important. So don't think that everybody is your competition. You don't want to talk to them. Interview some of them. That's something that I eventually want to be able to do on my channel. Is I try interviewing other people, and unfortunately I stopped for a while. But I had someone, one of my mentors, Victor Paredes. He interviewed me on his channel, and that's just the way it has to work, right? It's not just me. Try to work with others. Number 2, and you probably got email list. You never know. I'm gonna repeat it. I'm not gonna go into detail a lot on this video on this, because there's other videos that I talk about just specifically about this. But you never know when they're gonna take down your social media platforms. You never know. There's reasons why they might delete your channel or delete your accounts, but you have an email list and you have that asset in the back of your pocket, where something happens, you let them know what happened, or you can just tell them what's going on with other offers that you actually have for them that is gonna serve them well. So don't skip this step. Make sure that this is your number 1 priority when you're getting started with affiliate marketing. Build your email list. Take you from not understanding what you're doing to the next level on your journey, and that's invest in yourself, invest in training. There's a lot of good courses out there. Of course, there's a lot of crappy ones, I'm not gonna lie to you. But, for me, there's one specific one. I'm wearing the shirt for ClickFunnels because they are one of the best at marketing. They're one of the best at telling you why sales funnels work for your business. It doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing. Invest on their trainings. Invest on the One Funnel Away Challenge. Yes, it does work for affiliate marketing. If you think that it's only to create sales funnels, they also teach you how to create offers, but also there's other courses for affiliate marketing. Go over there, look, see who you trust, see who you like, and then you guys can go in and invest on those courses. And as you learn, implement, okay? Because that's gonna take your business to the next level, and eventually you're gonna reach that number that you always had in your mind, that you want to make $20,000 a month. It's not impossible to get there, but if you do the right work and you pick the right coaches and your right mentors, they can get you there a little bit faster than just trying to figure it all out by yourself. So investing in yourself is one of the most important things that you can do in your business. Now, concentrate on giving value. Make sure that every video you create, every piece of content is valuable to your customers. That's why I create these videos, because you don't need to know only the strategies to make commissions, but you need to know all the other intricacies that go in this business and how you guys can take it to the next level. And when you're creating value, you're giving great information to your audience, they're gonna trust you and they're more likely to purchase from you. Now, you got high ticket products, medium ticket products, and low ticket products. Now, when you first getting started, I always talk about, the low entry barrier. Maybe you have a product that's $7. I have one, look in the description for the lead funnel. For the lead funnel training, one is free, and if you want a PDF, it's $7. Low barrier entry. If you guys want to know how to do that, then there's a link in the description. I always say that in certain videos, so you guys know that there's a low entry barrier. But then you start creating more content and you start giving more value, and then you can promote, products like $100, like the One Funnel Away Challenge, and then there could be masterminds and other stuff that once you reach that certain level, you will be able to promote. People are going to believe, and it takes the same effort promoting $7, $100 to $2,000, and you get half those commissions. It's just a matter of creating value and concentrate on giving the people, and always over delivering your promise, because that is gonna make you not only feel better about yourself, but you're serving your audience to the highest level, which is something you always want to do. Now you got TikTok, you got YouTube, you got Instagram, you got Facebook. There's so many platforms, LinkedIn, and I could mention 150 platforms that you guys can actually go and put your content in. And everybody feels overwhelmed, and when you're a beginner, you always think, oh, I have to be all over the place because this guy, I see it on Instagram and posting here and posting there. You can't, at the very beginning, believe that you gotta go and post videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and post on Facebook every single day and actually see the growth. It takes a team to do that. And a lot of these people can tell you they have social media managers that take care of Instagram, and they take pieces of the video and repurpose everything. If you try to do everything at once, you might be able to just hurt yourself in the process, because you're not putting your entire attention on what platform, but you're dividing yourself all over the place. Personally, to me, YouTube is the best way to start, and once you're monetized, even if before you're monetized, you're making already money, you can hire other people to help you scale. So concentrate on one social media platform, become the best at it, and at the beginning, you're gonna suck. I'm gonna say it again. You're gonna suck at the beginning, but make sure you get better every single second, and eventually you're gonna reach that goal. Then you can concentrate on other platforms. Build your brand, because once you build your brand, you will be known for something. You're gonna have a mission. My mission is to help small YouTube channels understand they can monetize their channel even before they get to AdSense. And maybe you never get to AdSense. Who cares? You're already making thousands upon thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, selling your ebooks, selling courses, and you only need a handful of subscribers, 200, 300, 500 subscribers, 700 subscribers. You don't need 100,000, 300,000. Yes, it will be nice, but if you have your brand and you have 1,000 loyal fans, you guys can make a ton of money, because you can have 500,000 subscribers, but only 1,000 follow you everywhere you go, subscribe to everything you have, purchase everything you promote. You have a sustainable business. So if you concentrate on your brand, on your message, on the over delivering to your customer, you guys are in the right path, and you see your business just exponentially grow to the limits that you can't even imagine at this point when you're getting started. So build your brand. All right, don't stop. And this is something that I'm guilty of. Everybody that everybody that you see is guilty. You start, you don't see results right away, and it's so easy to give up. And now be consistent. If you want to post videos, if you want to post content, doesn't matter what platform it is, make sure you're very consistent with it. Okay, I always talk about batch content creation. Okay, it's going to help you in the long run because you will be ahead of the game. Like, at this point I'm filming over my 30s, I think it's my 28th 29th YouTube video, and I will be delivering not in the order that I actually recorded them, but it's gonna be once a week, and it's gonna give me about 30 weeks. So in between those 30 weeks I can work on my other video ideas, but also work on the other things that are more important for my business, which is my offers, and over deliver for you guys to know that if you're clicking through my links, you're getting the best offer possible for those products that I'm promoting on my channel. So always start consistent and don't stop. No matter what you do, stay consistent. I know that sometimes you're like, Jesus Christ, I'm not seeing anything. You will get better every day. So don't stop, be consistent, and I want to see you on the other side with the successful stories of your channels or your social media platforms blowing up. This one is something that a lot of us do. Don't consume more than you create. And this is a problem that a lot of affiliates do, like, okay, I'm gonna go see what this other person, I'm gonna read this blog, what is this person doing on their video. You gotta do market research. I'm not saying you don't have, but if you concentrate only on that and do not create, or you take course after course after course and don't start creating content and applying what you just learned, then you gotta stay stagnant and you are gonna start being a procrastinator. So you learned something today, guys. Go and apply it. Do it imperfect. It doesn't matter. Eventually, muscle memory will help you get better at what you do. So I hope that this video will help you start your online business, especially if you think, well, I want to start affiliate marketing, but okay, I'm gonna be confused, I'm gonna be this and that. But if you follow these tips, it's gonna help you in the long run understand, okay, I can avoid this, and then you gotta be on the right path to success. Do you want to learn affiliate marketing from a 6-figure super affiliate? Click that link in the description and in the pinned comment. I have a special bonuses for you. So if you're interested in learning the right way to start affiliate marketing, well, check this course. You guys will not be disappointed. And I hope, and if you like my content, guys, I hope that you hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and share my videos. If you know someone that wants to start their affiliate marketing business the right way, I'm here to help. I'm here to help you in your journey, and I will see you guys in the next video.